Are you having problems that your Facebook story is not showing on your mobile and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix this issue. So actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and basically the way that I fixed it was that I firstly actually exited my Facebook app, and instead I went into a settings app on my phone. So go into your settings app, and in here you're just going to scroll down and then click on general, as you can see. So click on general, scroll down a little bit in here and click on storage, as you can see, because then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, just wait for all of the apps in here to completely load, and then just swipe up like this. We're going to search for Facebook in here, so search for Facebook. Now you're going to click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here. We're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And basically what will happen now is that your Facebook app, you're going to click on the reinstall app once again, as you can see the button here. And basically what will happen now is that your Facebook app is going to automatically be updated to the absolute latest version, which you need to be able to do to try to fix this issue, just so you know. So just wait for your Facebook app to completely update to the latest version, then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.